It's a hunting club day. My husband is taking me out to his hunting club so he can recharge some of his trail cams, put out some corn, and just check things out. Hey, Alan just crossed Sketchy Bridge to go spread some corn. Yeah, we're out here. So I forgot my snake boots, so I have to stay with the truck. Longer.
For sausage?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
Be long good. Raw in the middle, medium rare sausage.
Will that make me sick?
Maybe, who knows?
Thanks. Yeah, bites are good. Yeah. But if you get another deer, I think we should get at least some of the chili Philly cheesesteak. Ah!
Good luck, guys!
You see, I get scared, I'm gonna like bite into it and it's gonna shoot me in the face.
So good. I swear I meant to go to them talking about put a couple packs for Brad. Did your dad eat it? Will your dad eat it? I think your dad will eat it. I'll bring a couple packs for your dad too.
Maybe lost my sunglasses. We're gonna go try and find them. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. And I put them on the tailgate, I think, at the one stand, so we're gonna go back.
No scratches?